Services sector. Question 1. With reference to service sector in India, consider the following statements. 1. The share of services in GVA has been steadily rising for the last 5 years. 2. Software exports comprise nearly half of total services exports from India. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 2. Which of the following statements are incorrect regarding Consumer Protection Act, 2019? 1. A consumer is defined as a person who buys the goods for personal consumption or resale. 2. The District Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission will have jurisdiction of cases up to ₹1 crore. 3. Complaints must be filed in a consumer court where the seller's office is located. Select the answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 3. Consider the following statements about Indian economy. 1. Share of corporation tax is more than the share of income tax in direct tax collected. 2. Average monthly gross GST collections have constantly increased since 2018. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 4. Consider the following statements about regulatory forbearance in India. 1. It allows banks to relax norms for restructuring assets. 2. It was first adopted after LPG reform in Indian economy and was also adopted after the global financial crisis. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 5. With reference to Indian economy, consider the following statements. 1. Primary sector comprises more than half of the employed workforce of the Indian economy. 2. Contraction has been witnessed in the service, industries and agriculture sector in financial year 2020 to 2021 in the backdrop of pandemic. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 6. Consider the following statements as per the amendments to the Consumer Protection, E-Commerce, Rules, 2020. 1. Flash sales have been promoted in the amended rules to benefit the consumers. 2. Every e-commerce firm is required to register with the Department of Consumer Affairs. 3. E-commerce firms can be held liable in case a seller on their platform fails to deliver goods or services in timely manner. Which of the above statements are incorrect? A. 3 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question 7. Consider the following statements about Intellectual Property Appellate Board. 1. It is a statutory body tablet under the provisions of Geographical Indications of Goods, Registration and Protection, Act, 1999. 2. It falls under the administrative control of the Ministry of Commerce. 3. It strengthens the IPR regime influencing the inflows of foreign direct investment and trade in the country. Select the correct statements from the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 8. Which of the following are part of transfer payments? 1. Remittances received by people residing in India. 2. Imported petrochemical products. 3. Grants from multilateral institutions. Select the answer from the code given below. A. 1 and 3 only. B. 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1 only. Question 9. The Service Trade Restriction Index is published by the A. International Monetary Fund. B. World Economic Forum. C. Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. D. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. Question 10. Consider the following statements about Universal Services Obligation Fund, USOF-1. It is a statutory fund under Information Technology Act 2000. 2. Now, USOF works through the lottery process. 3. It has been adopted to sustain the telecom services in rural areas. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 11. Five-star village scheme is related to A. To rate villages according to their performance in COVID-19 vaccination drive. B. Supplementation of ODF and ODF++ in villages. C. For extending postal schemes in rural areas. D. To augment digital literacy in rural adults. Question 12. With reference to software technology parks in India, consider the following statements. 1. It was established after the Startup India scheme to boost software exports from India. 2. It is an autonomous society under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Select the incorrect statements from the code given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 13. Consider the following statements regarding commercial service exports of India. 1. Commercial service exports are total service exports including exports of government services not included elsewhere. 2. India's share of commercial service exports are higher with respect to merchandise exports in global exports during 2015 to 2020. 3. In the last 2 decades, the Indian services sector was the largest recipient of FDI inflows. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3.